Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I'm not a big fan of doing laundry. However, every time I open the doors to my laundry room, I get a little smile on my face. Thanks to this beautiful wallpaper by Floralplus. It is so perfect. We had ugly white metal shelves and ugly white walls, and now, I mean, look at this. Can you get any cuter? This was really easy to put up. I've never done any kind of wallpapering before. This is peel and stick, so you peel it off the back and you line it up. So a couple things to take into consideration is you will have to match up the seams because of the pattern. But like I said, again, I've never done it, and it turned out even better than I thought it would. So it is absolutely gorgeous. I have 12 feet of space, 2 3-inch walls and a 6-foot wall, and I needed 3 rolls, but 2 big ones, and then I just needed a tiny part of the third one. So that kind of gives you an idea of how much wallpaper you'll need. It took me maybe 3 hours to do the whole thing by myself. It really was much easier than I thought. The wallpaper is really thick, and I didn't really have problems with it tearing at all. You can see the seams, I'm not perfect, so they are mismatched a little bit, but when you are just looking in here, you don't notice that at all, so I was happy about that. If you have a accent wall you're trying to figure out what to do with, or a small room like a laundry room or a bathroom, this wallpaper totally thrills me every time I open the doors. I'm actually really proud to show off my laundry room now, so I hope you get it and enjoy it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.